Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Lopez and today we're gonna learn how to use paper to create some Christmas decorations. For this project you're gonna need a few materials. You're gonna need your Christmas bubble mold, some white or colored paper, a pencil, scissors, PVA glue, a toothpick, a couple of beads, and some string. The first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna use some card to create your Christmas bubble mold or template. Draw half of the Christmas bubble and cut it out. Now you're gonna get some stripes of paper, you're gonna fold them in half and you're gonna draw your Christmas bubble using the template that you created and making sure that the middle of the Christmas bubble is aligned to the folded part of the paper. For my examples, I did 32 pieces in one of them and 36 in the other ones. So because you're gonna need a lot of them, my suggestion is fold the paper a few times before you cut it. That way you can cut a few of them at the same time. Once you've cut all your pieces, you're gonna use a toothpick and PVA glue and you're gonna put a tiny bit of glue in the middle of your Christmas bubble. You're gonna do this with all of your pieces. Once you've done that, you're gonna put a tiny bit of glue on the top and bottom on each piece and you're gonna join them one by one. I suggest to intercalate the colors to create a different pattern. Once you've glued them all, you're gonna get a piece of string, you're gonna put one of the beads inside and you're gonna put the whole string on the side of or on the middle of your Christmas bubble. Then you're gonna take one of the sides and you're gonna put some glue and join it to the other side. My suggestion is get a paper clip and put it in, use it to hold it, that way it will stay still and it will glue better. And then you're gonna put the other bead through the string, make a knot, and then that's it. You have your Christmas bubble with a string and everything ready. You can do different designs for your Christmas bubble. You can do a traditional, just a round sphere Christmas bubble, or you can change your pattern to create other types of Christmas bubble. Remember that you need to draw half of it to create your mold or template, and then just draw it, use as many colors as you want. You can do them with one color, you can do them with many, and that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to click like, subscribe, share, all those things, and that's it. I hope you have happy holidays. This is Mr. Lopez. Thanks for watching. Bye.